In this short tutorial presentation, we're going to show you how to create a Clickfunnels landing page and track it using CPV Lab's tracking platform. First, we're going to log into our Clickfunnels account and click on the Site tab. Now we can see the landing page preview. Clickfunnels will already create a landing page for us with a theme. Under the Site Overview area, we can see the link to our landing page. Then we can click on the Explore New Themes button and select a theme you'd like and install it just by clicking it. After selecting a theme, we can click on the Customize button and start editing the page any way that you like it. The next step is going to be adding the landing page into our CPV Lab platform. Inside the tracker, we're going to click on the Landing Page and Offers menu, and then click on the Landing Page Management tab. Now we're going to add the landing page name and the URL link. Then we just need to click on Save, and our new landing page will be added. Now the next step is to create a campaign in CPV Lab. Click on the Campaigns drop-down menu tab in the left-hand column and click on the Add New Campaign tab. Select the campaign type that you'd like to create. We're going to go ahead and select the Direct Link and Landing Pages campaign type and click Advanced Setup. It can also work with Quick Setup as well. Now we're going to give our campaign a campaign name and complete the other fields that are required. And then we're going to go ahead and scroll on down towards the landing page area. Now we're going to find the landing page we created earlier in the predefined landing page drop-down menu. You can click on the Even Shares button to split the shares percentage equally for your landing pages. Complete the fields that are required for your offer in the offer section and save the campaign. Now we're going to edit our Clickfunnels page to make sure all the buttons will redirect to our offers and are tracked correctly. Go to your Clickfunnels account and go to the Site menu and click on the Overview tab in the left-hand column and click on the Customize button. Edit all the buttons that redirect to your offer by clicking them, and then in the right-hand column, go to the Action button section, and in the on-click area, click on the drop-down menu that says To Go. On the second drop-down menu, we're going to make sure that we select the Custom URL option. Then we're going to insert our Base 2 link from our CPV Lab campaign. This link can be found right in the Link and Pixels section in your campaign in CPV Lab. After this, we just need to click Save. After editing each button action, we need to insert our tracking code from CPV Lab into our landing page. Go to your CPV Lab campaign, and in the Links and Pixels section, we're going to copy the Step 2 code by clicking on the copy icon. After copying the code, navigate back to your Clickfunnels account and go to Customize option for your site. On top of the page, we're going to see the code sign and click it. Now we need to paste in our Step 2 code from CPV Lab into the footer code box. It's very important that if you're using Facebook, Microsoft, or Google Ads as your traffic source, you need to make sure that you add the direct traffic code also into the footer, because these traffic sources don't allow redirects. Now we can just click Save, and that's about it. And now we have Clickfunnels set up and ready to go already with CPV Lab.